Okay, guys, I have an announcement to make. I'm changing channels. I have two reasons for this. One of them is not so great, and the other one's actually pretty good. I will leave it to you up to decide which is which. The first reason that I'm changing channels is that I have an awesome URL, right, for my other channel that I just feel like I'm wasting by using this 3D printing channel. And the other reason is that I am posting a lot of things that aren't related to 3D printing, like electronics, right? Which has nothing to do with 3D printing, really. Things like that wrist rest that I shared and some other things that I'm working on really don't have anything at all to do with 3D printing. So it only makes sense that I just use my general Riskable channel. And besides, it is an awesome URL. Right? Very few people have a URL this good for YouTube because this feature was only available for a few days before they shut it down. And I was one of the people that actually got to take advantage of it. So that's that. So hopefully this doesn't upset any of you guys, but I am changing channels. Just switch from this channel over to my Riskable channel, and I already have a video there waiting for you about how to make an analog keyboard PCB part 1. I'll see you there.